Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, we are going to implement FaceMesh API inside our VideoFrame application. So let's start with adding dependencies to the project. So for the FaceMesh, I'll add these 5 dependencies to my project. Same goes for the libraries. Inside the build.gradle.app, I'm gonna add the libraries. Let's build it. So like before, we are going to add the menu option inside the FilterStorage. Let's add the key, and for the config params, I'm gonna add the FaceMesh like that. And of course, for the loading and for the saving, I'll add these two. And then let's go to the state, filters UI state. Let's have a state of it and initial load from the reload from storage. Now we want to add it inside our filters dialog. Yeah, let's add it down here. The subtitle explains about the feature. And then inside the save, we want to add FaceMesh to state.facemesh. Now let's add the processor class inside our image processor. Let's take a look. It's pretty much does the same, gets a face mesh detection, uses detector, and will process each image. And of course, it's going to be launched inside the suspend cancelable coroutine, and it will return a new image with the mesh dots on top of the face. Let's go inside the video effect pipeline, add a new object of it here, and add it to the enabled. And down to the last condition, I'm gonna add the face mesh condition. Now inside the WebRTC factory is going to complain about the state of face mesh. So let's go top here, duplicate this code and do the same thing that we do before. And inside the reload, I'm gonna use face mesh is equal to cfg.get face mesh. And now as a parameter, I'm gonna add it here like this. And we should be able to test the new feature right now. Let's run our application. If I press call here, camera should be started. Now let's go and enable face mesh. As you can see, there are so many dots on my face. Simple as that. So that's how you add FaceMesh API to your project. You can read more about documentation and the usage of it inside the ML-Kit documents of the FaceMesh API. So till the next video, see you everyone.